Hi, my name's Greg Busby. I have a 4-house breeder farm in Texas that we've installed a stall cap egg packer in. The farm's ran with 2 people. 3 people is more comfortable, but you can get by with 2. It really helps on your labor costs. I know in Texas it's hard to find reliable employees. This machine, it makes sure it shows up to work every day, and the quality of your eggs that you send to hatch is a lot better. Your points of your eggs being down is more precise. It allows you to put more of your time, instead of handling the eggs by hand, to being more of picking out your cracks, your double yolks, any cull eggs you have. It just makes your quality of hatch a lot better. I think this machine is well worth the investment, and it definitely pays for itself here.